Starting with numerical number 16. With what velocity does water flow out of an orifice in a tank? Okay, now with Gauss pressure. They are discussing about Gauss pressure. What is Gauss pressure? Absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure, that is H rho G or rho GH. That is Gauss pressure. This is Gauss pressure. Okay, remember this is Gauss pressure. Forget about this. Okay, Gauss pressure is given to you. If they ask you to calculate Gauss pressure, then this is the formula, but here Gauss pressure is already given to you. That is 4 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. That is basically pressure difference before the flow starts. Okay, they are asking you to calculate the velocity of the flowing water of an orifice in a tank. So here, where there is pressure difference and they are asking you to calculate velocity, there is also mentioned density of the water, and that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. You will look at this formula of Bernoulli's principle, and that is mentioned in Venturi tube. The formula is, see, basically you have pressure difference over here, which is equal to half rho velocity difference. But we don't have here two velocities. In our question, we will be just using one velocity. Why one velocity? Because pressure difference, हमारा pressure difference क्या है? एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर माइनस एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. तो उस केस में हमारे पास दो वेलोसिटीज़ नहीं, हम दो वेलोसिटीज़ नहीं लेके डायरेक्टली हमारा जो भी गॉस प्रेशर है, आई राइट इट लाइक दिस, गॉस प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू हाफ रो, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ वेलोसिटी डिफरेंस आई विल जस्ट राइट वन सिंगल वेलोसिटी, दैट इज v स्क्वायर. क्योंकि यहाँ पर अगर तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में वेलोसिटी डिफरेंस देखेंगे तो इस तरीके से v2 square minus v1 square. So we won't be taking difference, हम डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे v and square. तो now गॉस प्रेशर हमारे पास है, ये 2 ऊपर भेज देते हैं, डेंसिटी नीचे भेज देते हैं, ये मिल गया v स्क्वायर. 2 ऊपर चला गया, डेंसिटी नीचे आ गया. now what is गॉस प्रेशर? गॉस प्रेशर is 4 into 10 raised to 5 into 2 and density is 1000. very easy to cancel. ऊपर 10 raised to 2 बच गया, 4 2s are 8, so 8 into 10 raised to 2 which is v square, है ना. ये कैलकुलेट कर लिया हमने. 4 2s are 8 into 10 raised to 2, so v is equal to square root of 8 into 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2 easily बाहर आ जाएगा as 10. square root of 8 you will look in your logbook. in your logbook square root 1 to 10, 8 कहाँ मिलेगा? 8.0. ये रहा 2.828. 2.828 into 10, that is 28.28. and since it is volume और ये मीटर में है, यहाँ सॉरी क्वेश्चन इज इन मीटर, तो यहाँ पर आएगा मीटर क्यूब, नॉट वॉल्यूम, सॉरी वेलोसिटी. सो मीटर per second square, meter per second, sorry. So your velocity over here is 28.28 meter per second.